you need to try this magic foundation.
Hi friends!
Hello!
It's Katie and
Katie?
Now we're at my home today and we've been filming a makeup tutorial for you. Now this tutorial, Katie gave me a brief and was like, I want you to find me will you tell everyone what you briefed me?
Well, I was looking for a new foundation, because I wanted a bit more coverage. I haven't got time for concealer, and I need something that's going to help blur pores and like redness, hyperpigmentation, but doesn't look heavy or cakey.
Basically,
big brief.
You've given me a very big brief, and it was one that I was like, right, I am going to hunt high and low to find this foundation that gives you perfect skin in less than 60 seconds. Now, I found it, didn't I?
You did. You didn't let me down.
Pass it over. We've got it on now. We've got it on now. Now, no concealer, no powder, just this foundation. Nothing else. I mean, we've done our eyebrows, but that's just for our own vanity.
It'll give me something.
But nothing else other than this. Now, we're going to take this off so you can see the difference. This is like a reverse before and after. This is an after, and you're going to see the before.
This is the big reveal.
This is the big. We're gonna unveil what our skin really looks like without this pot of magic. Okay, I'm gonna hold the screen.
Here's the truth.
Here's the truth. Well, you look good without makeup. I've got terrible dark circles, but that's what I love about this. You don't even need concealer. It hides, it blurs the look of pores, it takes down rosacea, it fuzzes the look of fine lines. It's incredible. In fact, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take off one side of my face. Oh, mate. So everyone can see the difference.
Oh, I look exactly the same. But look, I mean, that covered my little hyperpigmentation. I mean, it's just.
But what's great is you don't even need a lot of cover. You don't even need to put a lot on, do you?
That was one pump.
And we put it on with our fingers. Right. Oh, I look like something out of Batman where they've got like half face.
Ooh, it's like a trick or treat. And that's not a treat. Good job, friends.
Hang on. Right. How's yours? Look,
Yeah, I think mine's off.
So is yours completely off?
Yeah, got the whole face.
I mean, you've got.
Do you want me to hold it for you?
Oh, thank you. So,
I've got quite red skin though, and it's really like evened out the skin tone.
do you get rosacea?
I don't get rosacea. I did when I was pregnant, but I haven't luckily had it. But I do just get a little bit of redness and what have you, which is always nice to cover up. It just looks just a bit more even, you know? But it's totally made my face look much even toned.
Okay, so, oh, where's it gone? Oh, we can't lose it because I've become obsessed with it.
And you promised that I could keep it.
I know, I did
promise
that you could keep it. Okay, this is with foundation. This foundation. This is without.
And this is nothing. Brave.
So GoFundMe. So I'm going to put the link to this somewhere so you can see it. Beauty at the Boutique. Honestly, it took me months to find the foundation that I thought that I mean, we've got lovely foundations of Beauty at the Boutique, but this is the one.
That's ticked all the boxes of everything I wanted.
If you're someone that wants to look like this side of this face in literally 30 seconds, well, do you know what? I'll put it on now. Let me put it on now because I'm going to show you how easy it is with your fingers. Look. This is like morning, like.
Yeah, just tap it all over.
Just tap it all over. It blends really quickly. You know, I'm not even using any fancy brushes, it's just my fingers.
It just gives such a nice sheen as well.
And you'll notice when I'm applying it, where I need extra coverage, I'm tapping. Tap, 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 tap. And then where I need least coverage, I feather out. So that's a great little tip at home you can do with your foundation. But I will say, if you're looking for a new foundation, this could soon become your new obsession. I mean, I've got the other girls at Beauty and the Boutique to try this, and they're all like,
oh yeah,
they all freak out when it sells out, because this does sell out really quickly. Yeah.
Just to remind you, that's going straight in my bag.
Yeah, this is yours.
Okay,
you
thank
can have
you.
this one. But honestly, and you know what? I mean, how quick is that? I've got perfect skin just with that. And what's lovely is no face powder. It doesn't need face powder.
It doesn't need concealer either.
It doesn't need concealer, but look, it still gives you, it's not got a glow, it's not dewy, it's velvety, but it still allows a lovely sheen on your cheekbone.
Yeah, you can really see that picking up.
I need a bit of colour now, but
I've got too much colour.
do you want to put this back on so people can see our film?
Please.
I'll hold the camera. We're real pros.
Thank you.
I mean, this is now 5 minutes into this video, so if you're still watching,
it's not a professional edit.
No, it's not professional. Look, and firstly, when you put it on, you think, oh, that's gone
gonna
wrong.
be the wrong colour.
That's gone
Yeah.
wrong. Oh no. And if you're worried about getting the perfect shade, please DM me, email me, go on the store. You can instant message. You can send a photo in. We will get you the perfect shade. But I think I've made it pretty foolproof on Beauty and the Boutique of what shade is good for you. But if you need extra help, totally here for you.
Oh, that's so honestly.
Oh my goodness.
Look at the colour.
Look at that.
I mean, that's,
Mate,
come
that's
on
good.
now. Come on.
Come on. Come on.
That is amazing. And
Isn't
just like you said,
it?
no concealer. I know I can just put some bronzer or blush.
I mean, take a little bit off your lips, because it
Oh,
does, when it goes
what's
on the
that?
lips, it goes, I mean, I've got no colour on my lip. I need lipstick. Beautiful.
I'm very blessed. Oh yeah.
That is incredible, isn't it? Hey?
I mean, 20 years younger.
I'm not being funny. That's all you need.
I know. Just, but
Yeah.
I know I could quickly do that in the
Yeah.
morning. Stick this on, bit of bronzer, bit of
Yeah.
blush, and I can leave the house.
Right. Everyone, you need to try this. It is
You'll love it.
insane. Right. We will see you later.
Let's carry on
Bye.
with our video.
We'll carry on. We are actually making a professional video, but we're so excited about this foundation. We're like, we need to tell everyone about it. All right, lots of love, everyone. See you soon. Bye. Bye. Bye.